Hi, I don't know if anyone else has had this problem, but after the release of iOS 16, my Homepod mini alarms stopped responding. As you can see from this list, I had quite a few set up, mainly for me being lazy over the past year or so, and just to keep adding new ones. Having had a quick look around, there didn't seem to be much consensus as the best way to resolve this. So what I did was actually delete all of the alarms that I had set and then started to add a few more new ones. This has since resolved the issue, thankfully,